In the deep expanse of the western deserts, a new apex predator awakens from the silence. Prototype 6232 reveals itself as a massive, heavy attack platform, rivaling the world's most lethal gunships. Armed with a 30mm autocannon, its targeting systems track invisible threats with absolute, merciless mechanical precision. Upward deflected exhaust nacelles mask its thermal signature, shielding the twin turboshaft engines from ground-based infrared tracking. But before this Titan commands the sky, it must first be torn violently from the Earth. Deep in the Sichuan Mountains, the genesis of an apex predator begins with raw titanium ore. Extreme temperatures burn away the Earth's impurities, forging the unbreakable foundation of modern Chinese military aviation. Through violent chemical reactions, the raw earth is purified into aerospace-grade titanium, stronger than steel. These alien metallic clusters stand ready to form the unbreakable skeletal structure of a new warbird. At the HAIG Composite Materials Division in Harbin, clinical engineering replaces the chaos of the forge. Advanced carbon composite prepregs provide the critical lightweight strength necessary for next-generation battlefield survivability and agility. Automated laser systems carve structural patterns with micrometer precision, ensuring zero tolerance for aerodynamic drag. Deep within the high-temperature forge, advanced nickel superalloys are melted to form critical turboshaft engine components. Single crystal turbine blades emerge from shattered ceramics, engineered to withstand the extreme thermal demands of combat flight. Vast logistical networks transport the raw titanium and specialized composites to the central manufacturing hub in Harbin. Raw potential arrives on massive freight trains, carrying thousands of tons of aerospace-grade titanium billets. The colossal HAIG Pingfang campus in Harbin ingests these materials, a sprawling nerve center of military aviation. Inside the expansive high bay offloading terminal, raw elements arrive ready for transformation into advanced aerospace structures. Effortless hydraulic power lifts thousands of pounds of raw titanium, the unbreakable foundation of modern aerial combat. precision gantry cranes suspend massive freight containers, smoothly migrating critical composite materials deep into the production floor. Raw potential passes into the fortress, heavily guarded materials destined for a profound and violent mechanical transformation. Leaving the natural world behind, the raw elements enter a highly classified realm of pure aerodynamic engineering. As the heavy steel doors seal shut, the outside world is replaced by an echoing, mechanical roar. Within the sprawling cathedral of manufacturing, raw earth metals are superheated until they radiate blistering thermal energy. Thousands of tons of crushing hydraulic pressure forge the unyielding titanium into an unbreakable primary structural skeleton. Precision takes precedence as raw aerospace-grade titanium is prepared for rigorous, multi-axis computer numerical control machining. High-pressure coolant floods the milling interface, strictly controlling the immense thermal friction generated by the process. The final multi-axis process yields a structurally flawless titanium rotor hub, the unbreakable heart of the drivetrain. Automated robotic welding systems fuse the primary titanium skeleton, guaranteeing structural integrity beyond human physical capabilities. Master technicians meticulously construct the composite main rotor blades, layering prepreg carbon fiber into sweeping aerodynamic molds. Precision composite layup forms the swept blade tips, maximizing aerodynamic efficiency for extreme high-altitude tactical operations. These immense pressure vessels permanently forge the molecular bonds of the carbon fiber rotor system. Extreme heat and crushing pressure transform the raw composite material into virtually unbreakable flight components. Inside the chamber, precise thermal cycles cure the resin, achieving strength tolerances far exceeding solid steel. The completed 5-blade composite main rotor emerges entirely seamless, boasting a flawless, radar-absorbent aerodynamic geometry. The mechanical hearts of the machine arrive, twin WZ series turboshaft engines capable of immense power. Aerodynamic microengineering perfected, these compressor blades are built to inhale the sky with violent efficiency. Stripped of its armor, the raw titanium skeleton is an undeniable masterpiece of structural aerospace engineering. The integration bay is a sterile sanctuary, designed specifically for the marriage of metal and microchips. Static is the enemy of modern warfare. Every technician is tethered to protect the sensitive avionics. Massive matte black composite panels are permanently grafted onto the titanium skeleton, concealing the airframe's internal geometry. The twin 2,000 horsepower engines are permanently locked into place, forming the unstoppable mechanical heart. Prominent rectangular cheek fairings are mounted to the nose, securely housing advanced electronic warfare computing systems. Precision glass optics and defensive sensor nodes are seamlessly integrated directly into the heavy composite armor. The chin-mounted targeting array is rigidly installed, granting the gunner absolute vision through complete pitch black darkness. Precision mechanics translate pilot input into raw kinetic force, governing the 5-blade composite rotor system. Crowning the mast, the millimetre-wave radar provides the airframe with over-the-horizon targeting and unmatched situational awareness. Six distinct hardpoints on kinked stub wings allow for a devastating payload of anti-armor and air-to-air weaponry. Large cheek fairings encapsulate the advanced electronic warfare suites, shielding the digital nervous system beneath impenetrable armor. Cloaked in radar-absorbent materials, prototype 6232 emerges as a silent, invisible predator ready to dominate the airspace. The final protective layers are removed, revealing the highly advanced tandem cockpit and its hardened sensor suites. The 5-blade composite main rotor is locked into place, completing the mechanical crown of the aircraft. Every precision-engineered component converges perfectly, culminating in a flawless instrument of strategic deterrence and supreme firepower. Leaving the sterile safety of the assembly line, the prototype makes its journey into the natural world. The formidable 3-point undercarriage supports tons of advanced weaponry and sensors as it crosses the threshold. The 5-blade composite rotor grips the heavy air, transforming raw turboshaft power into relentless vertical lift. Tested in the brutal, oxygen-starved heights of the Himalayas, The airframe demonstrates unparalleled high-altitude flight performance. The advanced fly-by-wire system allows extreme aggressive maneuvering, transforming raw kinetic energy into tactical combat superiority.
Targeting system engaged. Crosshairs locked.
The mast-mounted millimetre-wave radar provides complete battle space awareness, while the airframe remains safely concealed behind terrain. Precise lethality is achieved in milliseconds, neutralizing heavily armored targets with devastating, overwhelming kinetic force. Operational horizons expand as the Z-21 platform transitions to low-altitude maritime escort and interdiction profiles. Integrated directly into amphibious assault doctrines, it provides unmatched heavily armed escort for maritime expeditionary forces. Advanced electronic warfare suites and defensive countermeasure systems guarantee survivability in highly contested, saturated electromagnetic environments. Six underwing hardpoints and chin-mounted autocannons deliver devastating precision fires against hardened surface vessels and armor. Kinetic engagement happens in milliseconds, extending the tactical reach far beyond visual range and enemy defenses. Advanced infrared suppressors aggressively mask the thermal signature, neutralizing surface-to-air threats before they can lock on. An unmistakable silhouette against the sky, it represents a lethal evolution in modern aerial combat doctrine.
This video is created for educational and informational purposes only. Using advanced AI tools and creativity, all concepts scripting and storytelling are independently developed in human mentality. New visuals and images are generated or enhanced using AI technology such as beauty, meta, AI, blockchain, while final video editing and post-production are completely used captured as a professional activity. No external creator content will be copied or real. Any resemblance to real world environment is purely coincidental. All scenes shown in this video are digitally created and do not represent real footage. This content is produced with transparency and quality defined under monetization guidelines.